go.
1 second, 2
Okay.
seconds, 3 seconds, 4
Six scale drawings. We're going to talk about scale drawings today, which we've done everything math-wise. Guys,
I'm listening.
we've done everything math-wise to lead up to these scale drawings. Like I said, I can't draw, but anyhow, in the book it has a picture of the pyramid of the moon and the pyramid of the sun. So basically, pyramid of the moon is located here, pyramid of the sun is located here, and then there's a bunch of other little temples leading up to those pyramids, okay? Like in ancient Egypt.
Oh, pyramid like this?
Yes.
I was like,
Okay, so then they want to know.
why do you have a desk?
Hello.
Is this
Yeah.
for people in timeout?
Just entered.
It's like,
Yes.
oh, maybe it's like.
Mhm, that's fine. Here, look, go down to the
There's the ones who
Okay, so I can't talk. Okay, so this has on this drawing, it has on this map drawing, it has a scale factor of 1 centimeter to 200 meters. Meaning on the scale drawing, for every centimeter there is, it actually represents 200 real meters in life. Okay? The center of the pyramid of the sun is 4 centimeters from the center of the pyramid of the moon. What's the actual distance? How would I solve that? Yeah, the center of the pyramid of the sun is 4 centimeters from the center of the pyramid of the moon. What's the actual distance?
You're trying to find the distance from the sun.
Is it 800?
It's 800. It's 800.
Okay, yeah, how did you get that?
Because you take.
Because like there's 4 centimeters, and like you add a centimeter to 200, and
Okay.
like if you add 1 more centimeter to 200, it makes 400.
Okay.
And then one makes 600. I don't know, it makes 800.
So if I take this scale, you're right what you're saying, but there's an easier way to explain
4
it.
times 2.
If I take this scale of 1 over 200, yes, 1 centimeter over 200 meters, and I set equal to 4 centimeters, right, over, well, not equal, 4 centimeters over our unknown, yes?
Then you do a proportion.
Yes, it's proportional. So scale drawings are just proportional, okay? And if I cross multiply, right, I get 1 centimeter
And then 800
equals 800,
centimeters.
well,
Like,
it'd
well,
be like
you know what I
this.
mean.
But the centimeters are
Yeah,
gonna cancel, right?
centimeters, meters, yeah.
So it would be 800 meters,
Meters.
okay? So 4 centimeters actually represents that these two pyramids are 800 meters away from each other. Okay? So on the scale drawing, they're 4 centimeters away, but in real life, you'd have to walk 800 stinking meters to get there. Okay? So it's just proportions. Yeah, Gabby.
I just did 4 times 2.
Yeah, that's what I did.
I just did 4 times 2.
Right, but it's not always gonna be a 1 to 2 scale factor, so you're gonna need to set up proportions.
So you have to do
Okay, so you have to like cross
so
my
if it's-
Yeah, you have to cross
So
multiply.
if it's an easy problem, are we allowed to just multiply?
Yeah.
But if it's a hard
So
one,
you have to draw all this stuff and then do that.
No. They are gonna probably provide you with drawings. But this is what an architect does. Yes.
Thank you for answering the question. Are we gonna have like what are the I know these are like all word problems and everything, but are we gonna have like the regular problems without the word problems? Just regular problems?
Tonight?
Yeah.
It's.
Just word problems? I was just asking.
So- A couple won't be, but a lot of them are gonna be word problems.
Because it makes more sense.
Because you have a lot of scale factors that happen in life situational things.
So most of them are word problems.
A lot will be, yes.
That's good.
Stop.
That was easy. The word
Yeah, the
problems
word
should be
problem
easy.
was really easy.
Okay, it says every few years, the grand, I think that should actually, oh, maybe it doesn't.
The Grand Palace.
Grand-
Grand Palace.
No, I don't think it is the Grand Palace.
It's not?
Grand Palace in Brazil.
It's Brussels, Belgium.
Yeah, the
It's in
Grand
Brussels,
Palace in
Belgium.
Brussels, Belgium is decorated with a large floral carpet. So
Ooh.
what they do, and it's really cool, look it up afterwards, I'll show you a
Okay.
picture of it. But they take the whole like, what's that court area, you know, that's like inside of a castle type area, and they just cover it with a flower carpet. They make this carpet looking thing
Are
out
they
of
real?
flowers.
Are they real? They're real?
Okay. Designers make a detailed scale drawings.
That's so
Suppose the carpet is to be 40 meters wide.
Okay.
The designer creates a scale drawing of the carpet that is 20 centimeters wide. Find the drawing scale. How can I set that up?
So you have to set a proportion up, right?
So how would that look?
Wait, we have to figure out like how many, centimeters is in.
400.
There's 40. There's
You're-
4
I don't
times
know.
in every 40 meters.
Yes, there's
meter.
20 centimeters in every 40 meters for this, right?
Oh.
So you're doing 20 centimeters.
Equals 40
No.
over
You're doing 20
Over
centimeters
or
over
40.
40 meters.
I don't know how
Because this is the scale drawing of this is the drawing scale, yes. This is the real life model.
Oh.
And they're both the width, correct?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Wide
Wide.
and wide. So I put the widths together,
Oh.
or I would put the lengths together, and then I reduce this down to get my scale factor.
Because it doesn't have anything else.
Right, so what do I reduce this down to?
4.
1/2.
1/2.
Yeah.
But it's gonna be like this, 1 centimeter over 2 meters. You have to keep the units on this because you're coming up with the scale factor. So the scale factor is gonna have 2 different units of measure with it most of the time.
Oh.
Sometimes you might be able to like say 1 inch represents 8 inches, but you probably won't make a scale factor that small. You would make something like 1 inch represents 12 feet. You get what I'm saying? Because when you're drawing it, it has to fit on a piece of paper, right?
Yeah.
But when we're creating it, it's like real lengths.
Yeah, like on a map they have like 1
Right, they have
centimeter equals 200
6
miles.
miles, yeah, or whatever. Yeah. So, those are our scale factors, and that's what you're creating there. You were just creating the scale factor. They didn't wanna know what the length was or anything like that. They just wanna know what's the scale factor. So you have to put you had to do it in the order it talked about too. It says a designer creates a scale drawing of the carpet that is 20 miles wide. Find the drawing scale.
So you're just supposed
So it's just 1 centimeter equals for every 2 meters.
Yes, so
Oh.
every centimeter on the scale drawing represents 2 meters in real life. So if you have 6 centimeters on the scale drawing, then how many meters would that be in real life?
Oh, okay. So that's all we're doing tonight.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense.
And the last example they give us, it says a model of a space shuttle has a scale of 1 to 52. The space shuttle has a wingspan of 78 feet. Find the model's wingspan.
We only have 2 numbers.
152.
3 numbers actually. 3
Wait,
numbers.
3 numbers where?
There's 3 numbers.
One.
There's 1 to 52 and then 78 feet.
Yeah.
You have to put 1 over 52 and then put 78 over x.
1 over 52, wait a second, you have to see.
Equals.
The space shuttle has a wingspan of 78. Is this the space shuttle or is this the space shuttle?
One.
The
bigger number. So
it's
78,
x over 78.
Okay, I understand this.
so it's x
X
over
over
78. So then I cross multiply, right? And I get 78 equals 52x. What do I do with that?
Divide by 52.
And what does x come out to be?
I don't know.
One.
Tell me something
One.
good. No,
No.
definitely not 1.
Zero.
No.
Oh, shoot, hold on.
1.5.
Okay, 1.5 what?
Feet.
Yes, and if you do not have units of measure for me, you will get it wrong. You will
Really?
get some points taken off.
Was that a 7
Where?
or a 4?
Is it 7?
Oh, sorry.
Gabby, if you can't see, you need to sit closer, like in this seat.
Okay.
Bree is friendly.
I basically
Yeah,
understand.
Okay, so you get the wingspan of the model is 1.5 feet. So listen, that's still a big model,
That is.
because a foot
It's 12 inches.
is 12 inches, right?
Yeah.
So it's half of a yardstick, right? Because a yardstick is 3 feet.
Peters.
So it's like this wide, the model.
Why is it called
Wow.
a foot?
That's pretty big.
But still, I mean,
Why is it called a foot?
I've never had a splinter in my life before, but that was
why is it
weird.
called a foot?
Yeah, because my feet are pretty
I've
small.
had plenty of
They're not
splinters in my
Because some
life.
people's feet is
Not
foot.
today.
I don't know, that's just a
Splinters.
standard.
Okay,
let's do some homework.
My turn.